So hello guys, today we have the CNC Innovation from Malaysia, and here is their valve cover and coil cover, as well as the coil brackets for 2JZ Vvti. Let's take a look. So it came with two oil caps. This one looks cool, but a little bit small compared to this one, which looks a bit bigger. I prefer this one. I think it's cleaner, even though the other one looks cooler. Here's the coil brackets. As we can see, let's focus on the fit and finish. Looks so nice. Let's take the valve covers, try to focus on them. Look at the finishing. You've got the logo over there, CNC Innovation. Again, this is for Vvti, so one would be a little bit further than the other one. This is 2JZ non-Vvti, but it's actually for Vvti. As you can see here, 2JZ Vvti. Let's look at them from inside. How do they look? Let's focus on the seal. Let's look at the other one. Again, this is their gold for the valve covers. And I've seen variety of gold that they have. This looks a little bit darker gold than some of their finishes. Let's try to focus on it. Okay, so yeah. This is CNC Innovation 2JZ Vvti valve covers.